at the Bahama game Sloop sailing. And we are here with some sailors. They're from Eleuthera, getting ready to sail. They're in, which class are you in?
In C class, honey.
Okay, what do you want to say about sailing today?
Well, listen, we're here to win for the Eleuthera people. The boat that is sailing for Eleuthera is called Sweet Island Gal, which is actually built by a Long Island man, Mark Knowles, which built most of these boats out here.
Okay.
All right, and we're out here to bring Eleuthera home and make them feel proud.
And there you have it. We have all these persons here getting ready to sail in this competition today. Sloop sailing right here in beautiful Bahamas, out on Montague Beach. Check out those beautiful seas, the beautiful waters. Have a wonderful Saturday. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Happy Saturday.
All right.